There it is. Yeah, nationwide test merger system. Yep, right there. There it is. Yeah, I got on my phone. Yeah, I got on my phone. Yeah, I heard the message. All right, so that was the phone portion. Surprised for that's for 30 minutes. Yep, I just yeah, yep, right there. I just recorded it. That was the phone portion. All right, 2:19 right now. Yep, shit. So that was the phone portion of the test. Yeah, the purpose is maintain proof of learning warning capabilities at federal, state, local, tribal, and territorial levels throughout the nation's public alert system. All right, 2:19 right now. All right.
They're supposed to go off across the country in the next half hour. A warning signal sent out to television, radio, and cell phones. Nothing to worry about, though. It is just a test, only a test, of the Federal Emergency Alert System being conducted by FEMA and the FCC.
Look at it right there.
Is live in New York City with what you need to know. And we had a little premature activation here.
It was premature, wasn't it?
Hi, John. Yeah, we did. That was FEMA testing the integrated public alert and warning system. And John, yes, my phone went off early too. A little bit of a surprise. That's the iPause system. And this, FEMA wants to test to make sure this is still effective at notifying the public of a widespread disaster or national emergency.
Well, you know what?
2:20.
Cell phone was on silent. You probably still got that notification. Again, the message, it should have said, this is a test, and I'm just looking at it right now. It says, this is a test.
Wait, that's it? Oh, hang on, I think. What the? 2:20. What? I don't see the alert thing on my TV.
Natural disasters are not the only time we get these.
Oh, here it is. Here it is. Finally, shit.
This is a nationwide test of the Emergency Alert System, issued by the Federal Emergency Management Agency, covering the United States from 2:20 to 2:40 p.m. Eastern Time. This is only a test. No action is required by the public.
In crisis, New York City Mayor